Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zatar Gardens. I'm doing some pruning here. I just pruned the almond, all-in-one almond, but let me show you something really cool. I have two pineapple guavas, Feijoa, however you like to say them. Delicious fruit, really easy to grow and manage. Not many things, no insects, this is one right here. Not many insects attack it, no animal really eats the fruit. Really tough skin. And when it's ready to harvest is when the fruit falls on the floor. So I have three of them. One's here and two's in the front. And my grandmother has a huge one. Lulu's eating the grass. Lulu's eating the grass. Lulu, stop eating the grass, you cow. My grandmother has like a 50-foot, if it could be 50 feet tall, we cut it down, or PG&E cuts it down because it's getting close to the wires. But let me show you the difference here. The front pineapple guavas are just really dry area. I don't put too much thought in the I don't put too much thought into the in the soil management. I just put a little bit of topsoil, put a little bit of wood chips here and there, decomposed forest materials, etc. But this area here is the moringa. This is how it is with gardening with kids. This is a moringa. This is with moringa, so you can see there's my mango over here. The mango right over here still growing, lush. It's starting to get cold, so I'm gonna make a makeshift greenhouse for it. And here is the avocado, and here is the cherimoya, nice and big. Avocado. Now take a look. So this area I worked on for a long time, probably 10 years of building the soil here because it was going to be for tropical kind of subtropical to tropical fruit trees, and I have to clean it up here. But let me show you something.
Papa, I like avocado, but what is that up there?
What is that up there? What, do you like avocado? This is cherimoya. Can you say cherimoya? Cherimoya. In Tagalog, it's atis. In Arabic, it's ashta. Yeah, nice and big.
I like chocolate.
When you're gardening, have your kids with you, even though they ask a lot of questions. You like what?
I like avocado.
You like picado?
And that.
And this is like this because I sprayed kaolin clay on it. So if you can see this, it's called kaolin clay. Can you say kaolin clay?
Clay.
No, kaolin clay.
Oh, clay.
Oh, clay. Okay. This is to help with sun protection. It's sort of like my own concoction of a sunscreen. But anyways, let's get to the point of the video. You can see all the fruit hanging, which are pretty large, but I've never grown. This is because of the soil. I've never seen a pineapple guava. Oh, it came off. That means it's ready. Here, hold it. It just popped right off.
Yeah.
Oh, this fell right off too.
Is it picado?
It's a picado? No, it's a pineapple. Have you ever seen a pineapple guava this big before? And this is because the difference between the front and here.
I want more.
Okay, hold on. The difference between the front and here is the soil.
I want more.
This soil is about maybe 18 inches of wood chips and forest materials decomposed down.
This is tickling me.
You're wearing your shoes backwards again, Talene.
I don't know.
So this is because of the soil. 18 inches of forest material, wood chips, etc., fish emulsion, buried fish heads. We'll pick more in a little bit. Those might not be ready. Hold on. What do you call it? So this is the soil. This is the reason why. Let me see some. This is the reason why you have pineapple guava this big. Here, put that on top. Look at how big this is. I've never seen it. Typically, the largest I've ever seen are, let's see. Does it come off? No, they're not coming off. Oh, right here. So you don't really you wait for them to drop. So you can just nudge them a little bit. Like I didn't pull on this. You need a bowl. But this is even large. But this is the average. Not this. Look at the difference. And that's from the soil. Whew. Talene, you're a lot harder to be on film than it was with Shanta at your same age. I started this channel when Shanta, I think, was 2.5 years old. Whew. She's getting a bowl. All right, everybody, so the soil. There's a difference right there. There's a difference. And this tastes like, really like pineapple guava. It tastes like guava with pineapple. A little bit of a hint of strawberry. Whew. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye.